all the pieces put together in 1891, handcrafted by a blue-collar man at W.R Case Sons. And in my grandpa's hands it taught me the important things in life. Out on the porch, just me and him and that old Case pocket knife. And we'd whittle away the hours, singing down that power in the blood. And we'd tell a million stories of pain and love and glory. The memories roll out just like a flood. And I learned lessons that I'll carry each day of my life. On the back porch with my grandpa and that old Case pocket knife.